Is it time to buy or sell Nvidia stock? In this video, we are diving deep into Nvidia. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, the 15th of January, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since January 15, 2025, our system has ranked Nvidia as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -1.49. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. We will continue to monitor this evaluation to see how it develops in the coming days. The stock is currently positioned in the middle of a broad and downward trend in the short term, indicating that further declines are likely within this trend. Analyzing the 3-month trend suggests a potential decrease of approximately 3.32% over the upcoming 3 months, with possible returns ranging from -9.53% to +5.68%. In terms of the 12-month trend, it indicates a significant change of 109.64% over the next year, with a potential return between 101.41% and 132.85%. This would correspond to a price range between $274.41 to $317.24 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for Nvidia includes the headline, "Weaker technical forecast for Nvidia as stock downgraded to sell candidate." The Nvidia stock price increased by 3.4% on the last trading day, which was Wednesday, the 15th of January, 2025, rising from $131.76 to $136.24. During that trading day, the stock fluctuated by 3.91%, with a low of $131.29 and a high of $136.43. The price has declined in 6 of the last 10 days and is down by 0.91% over this period. Volume decreased on the last day by 11 million shares, with a total of 183 million shares bought and sold for approximately $24,920 million. It is important to note that falling volume alongside rising prices can indicate divergence and may serve as an early warning for potential changes in the coming days. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached was $153.13, while the lowest was $54.74. Currently, the stock price is 11.03%, or $16.89, below the 52-week high of $153.13, which is also the all-time high for the stock. Nvidia has generated significant interest today with several key announcements, particularly highlighting its upcoming Quantum Day during the 2025 GPU Technology Conference in March. This event aims to refocus investor sentiment after last week's volatility triggered by CEO Jensen Huang's caution regarding the timeline for quantum technology. Investor enthusiasm may also be buoyed by the recent success of the T-Rex 2X long Nvidia Daily Target ETF, known as NVDX, which was the top-performing ETF of 2024, achieving a remarkable return of over 383%. This reflects a growing investor appetite for Nvidia exposure, indicating potential bullish sentiment in the market. However, Nvidia's stock has faced challenges, with recent dips prompting analysts to label these moves as potential buying opportunities. The market sentiment regarding Nvidia remains mixed, with suggestions that it is crucial for technology's future, yet also reminders of its dependency on the volatile AI sector. Furthermore, mixed messaging from Nvidia's CEO could contribute to price fluctuations, underscoring the stock's susceptibility to external narratives around quantum computing. As developments unfold, this volatility could present both risk and opportunity in the short term, while Nvidia's strategic positioning in the tech landscape suggests long-term potential, especially with increasing reliance on AI technologies. Overall, Nvidia continues to face a pivotal moment, where the upcoming March event could significantly shape investor confidence and stock performance, both in the immediate and longer term. Analyst Ratings, On the 13th of January, 2025, it was reported that HSBC assigned NVDA a buy grade with a hold action. On the 9th of January, 2025, it was reported that Oppenheimer assigned NVDA an outperform grade with a hold action. On the 8th of January, 2025, it was reported that Citigroup assigned NVDA a buy grade with a hold action. On the 22nd of November, 2024, it was reported that Jefferies assigned NVDA a buy grade with a hold action. On the 21st of November, 2024, it was reported that Wolfe Research assigned NVDA an outperform grade with a hold action. Analysts have assigned Nvidia stock a general neutral rating. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as a strong sell and the price-to-book ratio also as a strong sell. However, for return on investment, the analysts have awarded the stock a strong buy rating. The following signals have been identified for Nvidia. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Tuesday, the 14th of January, 2025, and so far it has risen 3.4%. Further increases are indicated until a new top pivot is established. Additionally, there is a buy signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. Notably, volume decreased during the last trading day despite rising prices. This creates a divergence between volume and price, potentially serving as an early warning. The stock should be monitored closely. Some negative signals have also been issued, which may impact short-term developments. The Nvidia stock presents sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a more negative outlook. During upward corrections, resistance is expected at levels of $138.12 and $137.71. A breakout above either of these levels will trigger buy signals. Here are some additional signals that may pique your interest. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a buy signal. Pivots showed a buy signal 2 days ago. Bollinger Bands indicated a buy signal 7 days ago. The short-term moving average has presented a sell signal 7 days ago. The long-term moving average also indicated a sell signal 5 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages signaled a buy 8 days ago. When examining the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average indicated a sell signal 5 days ago. The long-term moving average produced a sell signal 3 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages signaled a buy 71 days ago. For more signals, remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Nvidia. Nvidia finds support from accumulated volume at $136.02. This level may represent a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be expected when this support is tested. The stock typically experiences average movements throughout the day, and with strong trading volume, the risk is deemed to be medium. In the last day alone, the stock fluctuated $5.14 between its high and low, which is a movement of 3.91%. Over the past week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 3.76%. Before we dive into the potential favorable trading levels for Nvidia, let's quickly review some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important metric reflects a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A high PE ratio may indicate that the stock is overvalued or that investors are anticipating significant growth rates in the future. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the first quarter of 2026 is expected on the 19th of February, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are set at 84 cents. It is essential to monitor these figures as they can have a considerable impact on stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Nvidia. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Nvidia is at $136.93. If you do not own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this might be a strategic point to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Nvidia faces its first support level at $136.02. If this support level holds, it could present a favorable entry point, anticipating a potential rebound. The combined average rating for Nvidia from various analyst sources stands at neutral. Now let's examine some recent insider trades. The 5 most recent insider transactions were carried out by Puri Ajay K, who bought and sold 36,606 shares or options in the company. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we find that the insider power is negative, reflected by a ratio of negative 96.616. In total, insiders acquired 99,852 shares, while selling 8,102,378 shares in the last 100 trades. Our assessment for this stock is unfavorable, and a stop loss has not been established. Is Nvidia stock a good buy? Nvidia exhibits several negative indicators and is currently within a broad and declining trend. Thus, we anticipate that it will continue to perform poorly in the upcoming days or weeks. Consequently, we have a negative outlook on this stock. Due to minor weaknesses identified in the technical analysis, we have revised our evaluation from a hold or accumulate position to a sell recommendation. After assessing the volatility and market movements from the last trading session, our analysis indicates that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Thursday, January 16th, we expect Nvidia to open lower, down by $1.59, starting at $134.65. We remind you that trading carries a significant risk of financial loss, and it is advisable to consult a financial advisor before making any purchases or sales of securities. Your investment decisions should not be based solely on StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. And here is our current perspective on the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your insights. What is your target for this stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and a wonderful day. With warm regards from everyone here at StockInvest.